Apple seems to be paying more attention to Google than ever before. For a long time, Samsung was considered Apple's biggest rival, constantly competing to make the best smartphones. But now it looks like Apple has shifted its focus, and the latest iPhone models hint at this change. Instead of responding to Samsung's innovations, Apple appears to be taking notes from Google's Pixel lineup. Take the iPhone 16e, for example. While Apple hasn't officially explained what the E stands for, the concept behind this model is clear. Apple has traditionally offered budget-friendly options through its iPhone SE series. Those models look quite different from the premium iPhones, making them less appealing to some buyers. The iPhone 16e, however, follows a different approach. It closely resembles the standard iPhone 16 in design and features, but at a lower price. This strategy is very similar to what Google does with its Pixel A series, such as the Pixel Ada, which offers high-end features at a more affordable price. Apple likely realized that the older SE models weren't as successful because they looked outdated compared to the main iPhone lineup. By making the 16e more visually similar to the regular iPhones, Apple is aiming to attract more buyers who want premium looks without the premium price tag. This move mirrors Google's approach, where their budget-friendly Pixel models don't compromise on design and essential features. But that's not the only sign that Apple is taking cues from Google. Another major change is expected in the iPhone 17 Pro. According to leaks, Apple is planning to redesign its camera layout, moving toward a horizontal camera bar instead of the separate camera lenses seen in previous models. This design choice is something Google has been using for years with its Pixel phones, making them easily recognizable. While there are limited ways to arrange cameras on a smartphone, the timing of this change is interesting. The leaked images still show Apple's signature triangular camera lens arrangement, but now enclosed within a bar resembling Google's design. This shift might be Apple's way of appealing to customers who have switched to Pixel devices. Another key area where Apple appears to be following Google's lead is artificial intelligence. Google has been a frontrunner in integrating AI into its smartphones, introducing advanced AI-powered features before Apple. Apple has taken a slower approach, but now it seems determined to catch it up. With the introduction of its Apple Intelligence system, the company is working to make AI a bigger part of its ecosystem. One clear sign of the shift is the expected RAM upgrade in the iPhone 17 Pro. Apple typically doesn't focus on increasing RAM as much as its competitors, but AI features require more memory to function smoothly. By adding more RAM, Apple is ensuring that its devices can handle advanced AI tasks, much like Google has done with its Pixel lineup. This suggests that Apple is not only acknowledging the importance of AI, but is also making hardware changes to stay competitive in this area. So, does this mean that Google is becoming a serious threat to Apple? While Google's Pixel devices still don't match the sales numbers of iPhones or Samsung's Galaxy series, their popularity is growing. The fact that Apple is making these adjustments could be a sign that Google is having a bigger influence on the smartphone industry than before. What do you think about Apple's latest changes? Is it a response to Google's growing presence, or is it just a natural evolution of smartphone design? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more updates on the latest tech trends.